1, 2, 3.
When I was a little girl, I had a rag doll, the only doll I've ever owned. Now I love you just the way I love that rag doll, but only now my love's grown. And it gets stronger in every way. That always followed you around. Well, now I'm gonna be as faithful as that puppy. No, I'll never let you down. 'Cause it goes on and on like a river flows, and it gets bigger, baby, and heaven knows that it gets sweeter, baby, as it grows. I love you, baby, like a flower loves the spring. I love you, baby, like a robin loves to sing. And I love you, baby, like a schoolboy loves his bike. I love you, baby, river deep, mountain high. Oh yeah, you gotta believe me, baby.
That song was River Deep, Mountain High, originally done by Tina Turner. And thank you all so much for coming out to our last Hyannis show of 2016. Anyways, no, it's not going to be a sad show. It's going to be an awesome show. My name is Ryan. You'll hear a little bit more from me later on in the show. We're going to keep things moving along here with this next song, which is a Justin Timberlake tune that's currently all over the radio. Maybe you guys will know it.
All through my city, all through my home, we're flying up no ceiling when we Medina zone. Yeah, I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Don't like the way you rock it, so don't stop and undo the lines when everything goes. No matter how when I'm getting you close, no lose, girl, you already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but you like dance, 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 dance. You could not want to just dance, dance, dance. Those things I should dance, 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 dance. Nobody leaving, so keep dancing. Can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. Ooh, it's something magical. Yeah, my blood is rushing on. Don't need no reason, don't need control. Cause we're flying up no ceiling and leaving our zone. Yeah, I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good sun in my feet, that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You gon' like the way we rock it, so don't stop and undo the lines when everything goes. No matter how when I'm getting close, when we know, girl, you already know. So just imagine, yeah. When you dance, 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 yeah.
Got this feeling in my body.
I can't stop the.
Got this feeling in my body.
I can't stop the.
Got this feeling in my body.
I can't stop the. I can't stop the. I can't stop the feeling.
Can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, can't stop the feeling. So just dance, can't stop the feeling. So just dance, drop it.
Got this feeling in my body. Got this feeling in my body. Wanna see it move your body.
Your body now.
Got this feeling in my body.
Thank you guys so much. How you guys doing? Having a good time so far? Awesome. That was a song called Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake. It's been a really fun song to sing all summer. I get to dab occasionally, so you know, it's perks of the job, I suppose. But my name is Jason. It's my second summer with the Hyannis Sound. I'm 21 years old. I'm originally from Hooksett, New Hampshire. Any New Hampshire people? Yeah! Look at you guys. Look at you guys. And in the fall, I'll be a senior at Elon University down in North Carolina. I study strategic communications down there. And today was a great day. Yesterday, I got ridiculously sunburned. And I have been recovering today, which has been great. And so part of that recovery process for me was I took a nap, which was essential. And it wasn't a great nap, and I'll tell you why. I dreamed that me and this fine group of gentlemen behind me got to sing for President Obama, which you would think would be a great dream, except that he told us to stop wasting his time. And so if you think starting a show normally is hard, try doing it after the President of the United States will tell you to get out of the Oval Office. So that's what I'm working through right now, so thank you guys for being here. Thank you for not telling me to get out. Hopefully Obama never yells at me. This next song is going to be a classic American folk tune. I hope you guys like it.
I long to see you. 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 I bound away across the wide. I've seen her, and hear the roaring river. 'Tis 7 long years since last I've seen her, bound away across the wide Missouri, the wide Missouri, the wide Missouri. I long to see her, and hear the roaring across the wide Thank you all so much. That was Shenandoah, a traditional American folk song. My name is Anthony. I am 20 years old. I just finished my second year at Northeastern University in Boston. I'm originally from Norwood, Massachusetts, and this is my first summer in the group, so I'm very honored to be here. And so yesterday, we got the opportunity to perform with the Vineyard Sound, which is the all-male a cappella group. I'm stuttering today. On Martha's Vineyard. So we got to go there. It was super fun. It was amazing. President Obama was actually there with the First Lady. Didn't yell at us there, no. But I mean, regardless of your political stance, they're a pretty fly couple. But one of the most amazing memories that I'm going to take from yesterday was we went night swimming, which is really awesome, a beach that has these things called bioluminescence. Bioluminescent bacteria, I guess. So every time you would step in the water, the ripples would light up with the little, like, I don't know what they're exactly called, or like what they are, but they're just like little particles that light up, and it was so beautiful. And above us, you know how the meteor shower was happening, so we were just seeing constant shooting stars while like the water was lighting up. It was like the most amazing, most beautiful thing. The only bad part about it is that, so I didn't bring my bathing suit, so I went in my boxers. And a wave came and took my boxers down. Luckily, it was dark, so it's fine. It felt pretty freeing, but I mean, it was fun time. But no, it was absolutely gorgeous. If you ever find yourself on Martha's Vineyard, please check out this beach. It was amazing, breathtaking. This next song is going to be brought to you by my amazing, awesome roommate, Nick Cipriano. Day after day, I'm more confused. But I look for my life through the pouring rain. You know that's a game that I hate to lose. And I'm feeling the strain. Oh, give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, won't you give me the beat for to free my soul? I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. I want to drift away.
Hey, look, Anthony swimsuits.
Beginning to think I'm wasting time. I don't understand the things I do. The world outside seems so unkind. And I'm counting on you. Would carry me through? Oh, give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, won't you give me the beat for to free my soul? I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away, drift away, drift away, drift away. I'm sorry, let's try this again, okay? And when my mind is free, you know a melody can move me. And when I'm feeling blue, pick your eyes coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you fed me.
Thanks for that joy.
I want you to know that I believe in your song. Oh, rhythm and rhyme and harmony. Harmony. Help me along. Oh, you're making me strong. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Whoa, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Hey, rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Thank you so much, everybody. That was a song called Drift Away, originally done by Dobie Gray, and then covered by Uncle Cracker, and now you've heard a cover by the Hyannis Sound. I'm having so much fun singing that. I've been singing it all summer, and it never gets old, so thank you for listening. But my name is Nick. This is my third summer in the group. I'm originally from Long Island, New York. My family's in town. And I just graduated from Marist College in Poughkeepsie, New York. My other family's in town. And like as you can hear, I've got a lot of people that mean a lot to me here, and it's so great. It's hard for us to leave Cape because Alex keeps us so busy. He's our business manager, so it's a good thing. But it's nice to have family and friends come. But I want to pick on my family a little bit because I may not have been the best child growing up. My parents have 3 kids. We're all 2 years apart. And I think I can say with complete assurance that I was probably the worst to raise. I was, I think, the pain in the butt. And you know, it's not that I didn't try. You know, there are a great deal of memories. For every time we went to a family vacation, I refused to be photographed. There are a lot of pictures. Yeah, exactly. There are a lot of pictures of us in like DC at like the memorial, and I'm just sitting in the corner like this. I don't want to be when I was younger, I used to. Well, I'd like dropped an entire gallon of Hawaiian punch on my mom's white sofa. I one time not only spun all the fish in the fish tank, but then broke the fish tank by accident. So I did a few bad things, but you know, it's a growing experience. But the one thing that I was blamed for my entire life that I can point out, because my brother's here. My brother is never, doesn't like, he's always home, but so he's never able to come to a show, so I'm never able to tell the story. But when I was, I want to say like 10 or so, in our house, my dad noticed that there was a hole that was kicked in their bedroom. And immediately, as for the reasons that I just told you, they assumed it was me. But I didn't do it, I swear.
So what he decided to do was my dad wanted to go all CSI, and he asked my brother Joe to get 3 shoes, each one for my brother, my sister, and myself, and to fit the shoe in the hole to see which one fit. You can guess that my shoe just surprisingly fit, and I was blamed for years for this. Until recently, within the last few years, we're at dinner, and he decided to say, oh yeah, I kicked the hole in the wall, it was me. And when Dad asked me for a shoe, I just brought a shoe that I wasn't wearing that wouldn't fit in the hole. You brought the other way, the other shoe that wouldn't fit. So as you can see, I may have been a little bit of a pain to raise, but I didn't do everything bad. And I mean, when you're the middle child, you gotta do something. Anyway, I'm happy that they're here tonight. It means a lot to me that they're here. And if you see someone crying in front row, it's because of her. It's my mom. As Anthony mentioned, I'm his roommate now, but this next song is going to be brought to you by my roommate from my first summer. He and I got to share king bed for a whole summer, and so I'm happy to bring you the song.
Oh yeah. The only ground I've ever roamed was sticking to my shoes. Now I look out my front porch at this panoramic view. I can sit and watch the fields fill up with rays of golden sun. Watch the moon lay on the fences like that's where it was hung. My blessings are in front of me. It's not about the land, cause nothing beats the view of my front porch looking in. There's a carrot top that can barely walk with a sippy cup of milk. A little blue-eyed blonde with shoes on wrong cause she likes to dress herself. And the most beautiful girl among them. And the view I love the most is my front porch looking in. I've traveled here and everywhere, following my job. I've seen the paintings from the air, brushed by the hands of God. The mountains and the canyons reach from sea to shining sea. But I can't wait to get back home to the one He made for me. Cause everywhere I'll ever go and everywhere I've been, nothing takes my breath away like my front porch looking in. There's a carrot top that can barely walk with a sippy cup of milk. A little blue-eyed blonde with shoes on wrong cause she likes to dress herself. And the most beautiful girl holding both of them. And the view I love the most is my front porch looking in. I've seen what beautiful is about when I'm looking in, not when I'm looking out. There's a carrot top that can barely walk with a sippy cup of milk. A little blue-eyed blonde with shoes on wrong cause she likes to dress herself. And the most beautiful girl holding both them. And the view I love the most, yeah, the view I love the most is my front porch looking in. There's a carrot top that can barely walk. A little blue-eyed blonde with shoes on wrong. And the most beautiful girl holding both of them. Thank you so much. That was a song called My Front Porch Looking In by Lone Star. It's his 3rd time we've sung that song today, but I absolutely love that song. Jared was picking on me at the gig we had before. He made me sing like 5 times, but it's fine, Jared. I'm not upset.
Only 3.
But no. Okay. Anyway, so my name's Alex. This is my 3rd summer in Hyannis Sound. It's been just the best summer that I could ever ask for. It's been so much fun getting to hang out with these 9 guys.
I'm originally from Martinsville, Virginia, which is a really small town down in Southern Virginia, and I just graduated from UVA. Yeah, wahoo wah. Got a wahoo in the audience tonight. Yeah, I just graduated at the end of May, and I'm going to be moving up to Boston in October, which I'm really excited for. I have an apartment there. I was actually talking to my roommate today. We're working at the same place. He's just finishing his training right now, so he was telling me that everything's going to be okay, which was like, thank you. So yeah, I'm really super excited about that. So one thing about living in a house with 9 other guys is that responsibility often gets diffused. What is that, the principle in psychology where, like, he's a psych major. It's the one where if someone sees a crime being committed, it's like herd theory or something. Yeah, something like that. Where it's like if it's just them watching, they'll call the police. But if it's like 20 other people watching, bystander effect. So the bystander. I did graduate. The bystander effect. Anyway, so the bystander effect basically rules Hyannis sound. It really does. It's like, because you see something, for example, this is where I'm going with this. There have been 2 boxes of trash in our hallway for the last month that we walk by every single day, and no one has gotten rid of it. So today I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be the bystander anymore. And I got the trash, and I took it downstairs. No applause needed. It gets worse. So I take the trash downstairs, and I put it on our table in the laundry room. There was another box sitting there as well, and it was our bootleg CDs, which are our live album that we just came out with, was sitting on the table there. And so I'm like cleaning out some of the things in the box were like recyclable cans, so I was throwing those in the recyclable bin, and I was kind of messing with it. And then I got done with that, and I grabbed the 2 boxes, and I walked outside to the trash, and I just dumped them in there. And I was like, uh-oh. And I had thrown away like half of our bootleg CDs. But I got them out of the trash. I swear there was nothing on them, I promise. If you find any like dirt on there, just like Facebook message me, and I'll pay you like $50.
It really sounds like we should have just left the trash in the hallway.
We need a lot more.
And with that, we'll move on. This next song is going to be brought to you by my UVA brother, Avi. It's an awesome Fleetwood Mac tune, and you guys are really going to love it. Took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Ooh, I don't know. Ooh.
And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hill, well, the landslide will bring you down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hill, well, the landslide will bring you down. Yeah, the landslide will bring you down.
Thank you so much. That was Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. My name is Avi Montanez. I am 20 years old, originally from the D.C. area, Manassas, Virginia. Anybody heard of Manassas? Yeah. Hey, let's go. And I just finished my second year at the University of Virginia, and I'm studying computer. Wow. And I am studying computer science and systems engineering, and this is my first summer in Hyannis. It's been a blast. I'm so sad that it's literally going to be done a week from now. That's true. It is. I'm really sad, but I'm not going to talk about it. So, you know, there are tons of cereal boxes on our counter at our house, and I was thinking about, you know, when I was a kid, I used to love, not when I was a kid, I still love eating all the sweet cereals, like the Fruit Loops, Captain Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, all that good stuff. No, not cinnamon. I know. Lucky Charms is pretty good. But I remember I used to get so angry because I would go with my mom to the grocery store, and you know how like the kids would like ask to get like the candy at like, you know, the checkout aisle, and then like when I was at the cereal aisle, I would always ask my mom to get me like the sugary cereal, and she was always super healthy. She's like, no, you can't eat that, blah 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 blah. But sometimes you would get lucky, but there was a little catch to it. We could get the sugary cereal, but whenever we would eat it, we have to put in Cheerios at the same time to diffuse the sweetness. It would stink, and I was always so mad. I was like, I might as well just not eat the sugary cereal. But I remember I would just like fish through all the Cheerios first, get it out of the way, like get the bad part out of the way, so I'd have like all the Captain Crunch left over, and then I'd actually enjoy my cereal. Yeah, just like a random thing that I thought of, and you know, like now I don't have my parents telling me what to do, so I might just go buy myself some Captain Crunch. We have one more song before intermission. We have some merchandise for sale, and our latest bootleg just came out. We just got it this week, and if you don't know what, if you don't know what, that's nice and clean. Actually, unclear if it's clean or not, but you guys can figure that out. But if you don't know what a bootleg is, every summer we have one show where we sing all the songs that we've learned throughout the entire summer. It's recorded, and it's put on a little album, kind of like as a little snapshot of the summer. So the one from this summer just came out, so hopefully you guys can check that out. And we have our latest t-shirts and studio album, so hopefully you guys can look at that as well. And this next song is going to be a Stevie Wonder tune brought to you by Mark.
Music is a world within itself, with a language we all understand. with an equal opportunity for all to sing and dance and clap their hands. Just because a record has a groove, don't make it in the groove. You can tell right away from letter A when the people start to move. You can feel it all over. 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 Music knows it isn't always will be one of the things that life just won't quit.
Promise to see you.
Here's the fire. Here's the time will not allow us to forget. Brothers Daisy Miller, Satchmo, and the king of all Sir Duke. And with a voice like Ellis ringing out, there's no way the band can lose. You can feel it all over. You can feel it all over. You can feel it all over. You can feel it all over.
One, two.
You can feel it all over. You can feel it all